Thank you for visiting the CoinSeries channel again. The rivalry between Stellar 8 and XRP should be seen as pointless if the two platforms are actually enhancing each other's technologies. Coincidentally, XRP's consistent performance below the all-time high of $3.84 set in January 2018 may be the largest bull flag in cryptocurrency history. The illustrious American cryptocurrency exchange Uphold has also announced the XRP reward promotion's last phase, which is twice as expensive. The question finally came to Polly when she noticed that a digital assets provider with ties to Ripple is being sold off at auction because to its debt default. What effect will Polly's choice to sell her shares in Ripple have on their pre-IPO value, following the loan default? Continue reading to the end to find out more. Watch this new video immediately if you're interested. Hello! We appreciate you taking the time to visit our channel, where you can find up-to-the-minute coverage on XRP and the cryptocurrency market. Anyone tuning in for the first time to see one of our videos has our sincere gratitude. Please activate the notification bell so that you will never miss a video. By showing your support by subscribing, liking, and commenting on this video with the hashtag XRP. There is no competition between the XRP and XLM cryptocurrency platforms, according to a recent tweet by Al Jarrah. He said that even now, researchers are trying to figure out how XRP and XLM might complement one another. Their individual contributions, he continued, make a positive impact on the crypto ecosystem. You can get by with both if you don't mind sharing. While deciding between Black Swan Capital's founder reached out to the crypto community, specifically Jarius, after reading a report that included Google's AI remark on XRP and XLM as complementary technology. More specifically, the claim that XLM is more decentralized than XRP is cited as the reason why Google Bard prefers XLM over XRP. As previously mentioned, the AIS claim lacks strength. A centralization of XRP due to Ripple Labs support was the main point made. In response to Algeria's comments, Bitcoin market participants had a range of emotions. Imagine a former user who demonstrated the critical significance of XRP and XLM in the economy using algebra. The analyst drew a parallel between building a house, which necessitates wiring, plumbing, and walls, and these digital currencies. His key argument was that it was ridiculous to give more importance to one than the other. Many other cryptocurrency enthusiasts have also stated that XRP and XLM aren't rivals, but rather complementary. Concurrently, another X-user was asking for clarification on how exactly XRP and XLM collaborate. Token issuance and payments are two areas of mutual interest, he said, and the two are on the lookout for complementary use cases. On the other hand, one may argue that XRP is more suited to institutional users like banks and government organizations, whereas XLM is more suited to retail users. It should be noted that this opinion is purely sentimental, while XLM and XRP cater to retail and institutional use cases. Subscribing to our channel and turning on notifications will ensure that you are the first to hear about any XRP-related news. This was recently made public by ABS, a prominent market observer and one of the 3 members of the T-Warrior Academy study team. He predicted a big bull run may happen if the flag developed, citing the monthly price variations of XRP. Particularly supporting the claim are data from a 1-month chart. From a low of $0.003 in January 2017, XRP's value surged to an unprecedented $3.84 in January 2018, an astounding growth of 127,900%. The bull market of 2018 allowed for this to happen. But once XRP hit its all-time high of $3.84 in January 2018, digital assets started to fall. After a fantastic 2017, XRP lost all of its gains as the bears managed to trigger a retreat. Despite XRP eliminating a large portion of these gains, its price remained greater than it had been before the 2017 rise. Efforts to recover the previous high or restore the missing values have thus far proved unsuccessful. Many market observers, according to ABS, have pointed the finger at the SEC's move as the reason XRPS has been unable to recover from its $3.84 record high. The US SEC brought accusations in December 2020. A combination of several listings and ongoing selling pressure prevented XRP from surviving the 2021 bull run and recovering its all-time high of $3.84. Even though it faced opposition, the asset only reached a high of $1.966 in April 2021. There was a clear chance for XRP in the lawsuit. Since XRP's price dropped from its January 2018 high of $3.84, a bull flag has formed on the cryptocurrency's monthly chart. The measured move during the 2017 rally served as the flagpole, while price activity from 2018 onwards has produced the flag. This bull flag has been there for the longest period of time in the history of any cryptocurrency. Seemingly approaching the peak of the flag, XRP is presently attempting to manufacture a breakout shortly, according to his earnings per share (EPS) chart. Noteworthy is the conjunction of XRP with such a breakout. He recently clarified certain legal points, which might lead to a massive price run. Apps did not provide price predictions, but instead gave his audience 4 possibilities with costs falling somewhere in the middle, from $3.85 to $8.80. Starting at $8.81 and going up to $22.34 and beyond $22.35. The survey's most surprising finding is that 36% of participants believe XRP will surpass $22.35. Additionally, XRP is still struggling to maintain its near-term support at the 60-cent price level. More recently, Xuphold announced that the incentive for their ongoing XRP campaign has been increased to 100,000 tokens. One lucky platform trader will get 100,000 XRP in the December XRP sweepstakes, according to the exchange. From 50,000 XRP in the November edition to the current 100,000 XRP primary prize, the amount of the reward has increased by 100%. Latest news has it that Uphold instituted the steep increase in an effort to cap out the year on a high note. Whether or if Polly's choice to sell her shares after her loan default would affect Ripple pre-IPO shares is the most important question of the day. Subscribing to our channel and turning on notifications will ensure that you are the first to hear about any XRP-related news. Crypto-renowned XRP community personality Ari recently attracted attention to the development by referring an official press release. The company and its affiliates will allegedly be put up for auction in 2019 after going into default on their debt, as stated in the press release. Poly pledged its assets, including its intellectual property rights and stock interests in the company and its subsidiaries, to finance the loan. The private equity firm Boathouse Capital, and she struck this transaction in April of last year. It is now required by the arrangement that the firm sell itself and its subsidiaries to repay the lender, Boathouse Capital, as it has defaulted on the loan. The scheduled date for the foreclosure sale is January 5, 2024. The New York City office of Latham & Watkins. The press announcement states that the sale will also be accessible online and over the phone. Among the assets being sold are PolySign's 6 subsidiaries, all of the company's capital, and patents and trademarks related to the blockchain distributed ledger system and the master key escrow mechanism. All parties involved in the transaction are required to adhere to the terms and conditions set forth by the lender, Boathouse Capital. Liquid advisors were the lender's financial experts. Interested parties were encouraged to contact them at least 7 days before the transaction. Ari expressed his shock and horror at the news. She brought up the question of what would happen to LinkedIn shareholders if the firm were to go public before they purchased shares. Ripples before an initial public offering was the original meaning of the issue, but some members of the community have taken it in a different direction. In particular, Eric was interested in learning more about the PolyScience pre-IPO shares that LinkedIn investors had purchased. Purchasing Ripple's Policy Science and pre-IPO shares on Linko was deemed a safe bet in March by CTO David Schwartz. It would appear that some of the buyers of PolyScience shares are holding out for the business to launch its initial public offering. Using LinkedIn as a springboard, individuals may put money into startups like PolySign and Ripple before they go public. The corporation in issue may, however, face insolvency, a merger, or possibly complete sale. The pre-IPO investment advice from Lingoto outlined these concerns. Nevertheless, the business did promise to get in touch with affected investors to let them know what to do next, upon the sale of a company. Importantly, PolySign is not associated with Ripple in any way. Thus, the latest development about its sealed auction has no bearing on Ripple or its pre-IPO shares. The two companies are only linked through their CEOs. David Schwartz, Chief Technology Officer of Ripple, helps advise PolySign. Since Arthur Brito was a co-founder and president of both Medico and Ripple, many in the XRP community wondered why the two firms hadn't utilized PolySign after Ripple's May acquisition. Schwartz noted that in light of PolySign's recent sale, it follows a different roadmap to Ripple. Observers debate the possibility that Ripple will intervene to save the business. Still, it's only conjecture at this point. At last, the time has come to determine who will win 200 XRP. Well done! The screen will show who has won. If you do not succeed, it is okay. Once again, we will be holding a giveaway on December 31st. Use the comment section below to tell me what you think. Before you vote for the video, make sure you like it. Make sure you subscribe and enable notifications. Goodbye for now.